Hi YouTube, today I'd like to showcase the 1/64th scale BMW M3 E30 by a company called TinyQ. This is series 04 in its Tiny Pro series. Now the BMW M3 E30 is used under license of BMW AG, thus making it an officially licensed product. I've chosen the color royal blue as it is more unique, in my opinion, to the everyday red and white BMW M3 E30s that I've seen on social media and in magazines. Getting back to the body design, the car is a metal chassis and it feels solid. Now I've played with toy products similar to these when I was young and none have a steel chassis. Looking at the specifications, this is a quality product. The car has a smooth pullback action. The tyres have a nice tread allowing for grip and adds a nice touch of overall realism. Even more interesting is the steering wheel feature, which allows the wheels of the car to be turned either left or right for extended hours of play. I have never seen an iconic BMW such as the M3 E30 in such a tiny scale, and what's even more impressive is the quality of workmanship. If we look at the size comparison, this is the TinyQ next to a Mini Z. And this is the TinyQ next to a pack of gum.
眠気にパンチ、眠気にバケツ、壁、眠気に花瓶、眠気に一枚。
眠気スッキリブラックブラック。
ロッテから。
In my opinion, TinyQ have nailed the caricature design, and I sure hope that they release even more classic cars in future series. Thanks for watching.